How's it going, everybody? If you are somebody that purchases insurance, whether it's for yourself personally for maybe your home and auto insurance, or maybe for your business, then this video is for you. Today, I wanted to go over one of the most basic and essential terms when it comes to insurance, and that is a deductible. So when you hear that word deductible in insurance, what does it actually mean? Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it, and before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel, and if you find this video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like, share, pass it along with anyone else as well. So simply put, a deductible is the amount that you agree as a policyholder to be responsible for in the event of a claim before insurance coverage kicks in to cover the rest. So for example, let's say you have a $1,000 deductible on your auto insurance. You get into an accident and the damage to your car is $4,000. You would be responsible for that first initial $1,000, and then the insurance company would cover the rest of the $3,000. Overall, deductibles are common in many types of insurance policies. Your home insurance, auto insurance, a lot of business insurance policies, and then health insurance as well. In this video, we're really focusing on what are called the property and casualty type insurance policies. So home, auto, a lot of types of business policies. And the reason they exist is that they're designed to help share some of the cost between you as the policyholder and the insurance company. This helps prevent claims being made on maybe smaller, more frequent type of events that could happen so that insurance costs don't get driven up for everyone. And overall, it just encourages policyholders to really only make claims when it is necessary. And then people also tend to take better care of their property as well. Now, one important thing to understand with this is the relationship between deductibles and premiums. In general, the higher your deductible, the lower your premium will be. And this is because you are, again, taking more of that upfront risk away from the insurance company. And then vice versa as well. A lower deductible will typically mean a higher premium. In general, there really is no true right answer when it comes to choosing your deductible. It really does come down to personal preference. Some people like the peace of mind of having that lower deductible and knowing they won't pay much out of pocket in the event of a claim. And then other people would rather have a higher deductible so that they keep more money in their pocket initially and not in the insurance company's pocket. And then another point worth noting is that deductibles can work a little bit differently depending on the type of policy you have in place and maybe the insurance company you're working with as well. Some deductibles are applied per claim, such as with a homeowner's policy or auto insurance. And then others, such as maybe with health insurance, apply annually. And also somewhat related to this, not all deductibles are applied in the same way. On many property policies, such as with a homeowner's policy, you could either have maybe a flat dollar amount, such as with $1,000 or $2,500, but then you could also have a percentage-based deductible. And this would be based on the total value of the property. And it's becoming very common to maybe have a percentage deductible such as 1% or 2% associated with your wind hail damage. And this is becoming common in a lot of certain coastal states. So to sum it up, a deductible is the share of your cost as a policyholder before insurance coverage kicks in. And knowing and understanding how exactly it works can definitely help you make smarter insurance decisions, and then at the same time, not be surprised if a claim ever does happen. And then the right deductible choice is really going to be based on your personal preference as a policyholder. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your insurance, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever's easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to reach out directly or leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.